Sanibonani ke South Africa. Umajoka Msane lona we-Heritage Media. Lapha ngisemathuneni ase-Adams Mission. Adams Mission imishini endala kunazo zonke lapha eSouth Africa, ebaluleke kakhulu emlandweni wenkolo yobuKristu nakwezemfundo. Lapha phambi kwami kumi uMr Khanyile, mission superintendent. Uyena ke ozokatha kusichazela ukuthi kwenzekani lana emathuneni, kukhona obani, kwafihlwa obani ababalekile, ngoba this is one of the heritage landmark esifuna ukuthi i-declare, i-recognize i-government yalapha eSouth Africa. Babukhanyile, sacela ukuthi uqaleke ukusichazela ukuthi lapha kwenzekani emathuneni bese sizokwenzani, kukhona obani abalala lapha.
Angibonge Majoka ithuba mfethu ongipha lona sila emathuneni asekhaya la sazalwa khona, nathi sazalwa sazi ukuthi sizalelwe kwi-mission ene history in Africa.
Sinokuyigqaja ukuthi siphuma e-Adams,
ngoba if you know the history,
yes.
Umkhulu wami uNembula ozalana nomkhulu wami uPhilemon Khanyile, he was a first medical doctor in Southern Africa.
Yebo.
Now history yethu, we are the indigenous native of Adams Mission. Kodwa ungaya noma ikuphi la, ake sikhulume ngeprovince yaKwaZulu Natal, awekho amathuna in the whole province ase-mission aneglectwe njengamathuna ase-Adams Mission. La kunama-missionaries alele la. The fact that i-Adams Mission ibizwa nge-Adams, uNewton Adams, Dr. Newton Adams, wafika la engahambi yedwa. Some of the missionaries naku noma ungasaboni, this is Reverend owalele la, he died at the age of 53. Reverend Chris W. Kilborn. Bonke lama missionaries babesuka
ngathi thiwa he was buried nakho kubhaliwe Springfield, mase USA.
Yes,
he died in 1916.
1916.
No,
at the age of 72.
At the age of 72, yes.
You understand? At the age of 72. Ezinye izinto ayisabonakali kahle guys, amehla wasekho
manje ke babukhanyile ke njengoba siyohlala phansi necommission ngolesine Thursday, ikuphi okufisa ukuthi icommission mhlawumbe ingenelele, ufisa ukubona ukuthi sisizakala njengomphakathi kwenzeka ukusuka la kuya phambili?